guys, welcome back. This is Groovy Art by Haley here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys my studio. So my studio isn't actually like a full-on art studio, it's just a corner of my bedroom for now, but I hope one day I get to have a studio of my own. So I'm just going to show you guys around, and hopefully you guys can get some inspiration from it if you also work in a small area. So yeah, let's get started. Alright, so this is my art corner. Let's start off over here by the window. So I've got a lot of decorative items and I want to show you guys this ukulele that I painted. So here it is. I don't know how to play it, but if someone can teach me, that would be great. So yeah, this is kind of just my decorative area. I've got my crystals over here and some butterflies stuck to the window, and yeah, here it is. Next, I want to show you guys this little drawer organizer that I have. I will link that into the description. I got it from Michael's. First, I want to talk about this amazing label printer. No, this is not sponsored. I just really like this label printer and I will link it. It's Fomemo and I use it for all of my Etsy orders. So yes, I have an Etsy shop and I sell mostly stickers. Here they are. I just stick them in my top drawer and organize them like this. And here are my prints. This is how I sort them. And this is kind of like my packaging stuff. I have my business cards, my thank you stickers, my envelopes, and my note cards and my bags. And then in this one, I have my bubble mailers and my scale so I can weigh my packages. And then I have some tools in this one I use for my earrings. So yes, I recommend that every artist gets one of these. They are amazing. I love to use it for organization. Next, we've got my crusty old desk with paint stains all over it. Yep, this is the reality of an artist. But over here we have my current works in progress. I just set them aside for now. So here's some little plants, aren't they cute? And some paintings. And of course this amazing ring light that I have that also holds your phone so you can record videos and have some nice lighting to go with it. I will link that too because it's awesome and I use it all the time. My favorite part of my whole room is this pegboard that I created. I have a TikTok video explaining how I built this for under $25, so I will link that so you guys can go check that out. But for now, I'm going to show you guys what I've got. So I've got my paintbrushes and my markers in these little cups, some Mod Podges, and more markers in these baskets. And you guys are probably wondering, why the heck do I have this United States of America map? That's because I track where my art has been to, and it's been to all 50 states. So thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. And I'll take you guys down here to show you I have some more storage space that comes with my desk. This is just where I keep my scissors and my pens and my markers in this little basket under here. And then I've got some sketchbooks and some journals, all that good stuff just stored under here. Next, we have my art cart that I also got from Michael's. I will link that because this thing is amazing and it's super cute. So here are my paints. I sort them. So this is like my metallic and my glittery paint, and this is just my acrylic paint over here. I do this because it just makes it a lot easier to find the kind of paint that I want when I'm working on a piece. On my next shelf, I have my palette, my brushes, and some paint pens in here. And no, I didn't change my paint water, I'm sorry. I didn't do that for this video. And this is my bottom shelf, and this is kind of the paints that I don't really use, but I still have them. And I forgot to mention, I have this TV in here that I love to watch while I'm painting. And I also have these ceiling tapestries. Alright, we're gonna move on to the last part, which is my bookshelf. So up here, I kind of just have my decorative items and my books, just things like that. And on the last two bookshelves, this is where I store my art that is for sale. I thought that this would be a great idea because I don't like to just store my art in a bin in my closet. I can just have it on display like this. Well, if you're still here, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you guys have any questions or any other video suggestions, just let me know in the comments. I hope this video helped you and maybe gave you some inspiration. So thank you so much for watching. Peace.